All right, so where things stand is I have STLs that were created in ITK Snap that I am importing via Blender Python. Right now it's commented out, but that's what ends up happening. I then access CSV data to access particular points. In this case, I'm looking for the tip of the nose. That's in the spreadsheet. I'm creating empty at that point. I'm creating accompanying text at that point. The text is getting named, and so is the empty that's created, which is named patient, because that's the last thing that happens. Uh, patient is, well, all items are selected, and the empty named patient is set to active. So the next thing that I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to parent all of the items to that nose tip. And then in subsequent videos, what I will do is I will, in some cases, manipulate the items as a whole. In other cases, I'll cycle through each of the specific items and make changes to them as needed or as I think is appropriate. But basically, this is what I will put in for parenting: EPY, OPS, object parent, set, type is object, keep transform, I set to false. So now if I go ahead and push play, all of these items should end up being parented to the patient empty that is created. So let's see if that works. All right, looks like success. All of those items are gone. I have one item named patient. Underneath that, I have the head, the vertex, which is right there, the mandible, the nose tip, text, and the skull portion of the skull. So that appears to be working just fine for the moment.